viewers. How are you guys? This is Newton here. Welcome to my channel Light Programmer. Why should we learn the Python is my first video of the Python series. I've gone through the Google. I got this as you can see over here. Python is the most used language of all over the world, next Java and JavaScript and so on. Not only this, Python is an easy language to use and powerful as well. It allows you to think like programmer, not as wasting time with the syntax. Python is a general purpose language, which means it is used to build anything, and it is great for backend development as well, data analysis, AI, and and machine learning as well. In future I'm going to explain. Please stay tuned, share, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions related to this, please comment below. Thank you.
Zombie apocalypse.